Click on the link below to get price. The Aipas F3 Electric Bike is an impressive blend of power, efficiency, and style that is designed to cater to adult riders looking for a reliable mode of transportation. With a peak motor power of 1500 W, this bike delivers remarkable performance that handles steep inclines and rough terrains with ease. The robust motor ensures a smooth acceleration, allowing riders to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, which is perfect for both commuting and recreational rides. One of the standout features of the Aipas F3 is its 48V 12.8Ah lithium battery. This combination provides a commendable range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and mode selection. The battery charges relatively quickly, making it convenient for daily use. Whether you're using it for errands or weekend adventures, you can count on its longevity. The bike itself boasts a sturdy aluminum frame, ensuring durability while keeping the overall weight manageable. The design is both ergonomic and aesthetically pleasing, with a sleek finish that will appeal to many users. Adjustable seat height and handlebar positioning accommodate different rider sizes, providing a comfortable experience for everyone. In terms of safety, the Aipas F3 is equipped with front and rear disc brakes that offer reliable stopping power, even at higher speeds. Additionally, its bright LED lighting system enhances visibility, ensuring safer rides during dusk or dawn. The bike features a simple LCD display that provides essential information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled. This user-friendly interface makes monitoring your ride a breeze. While the Aipas F3 is a powerful electric bike, it does have a few minor drawbacks. The weight, at around 65 pounds, may be cumbersome for some, especially when maneuvering it off the bike rack. However, the overall performance and versatility more than compensate for this slight inconvenience. In summary, the Aipas F3 electric bike is a strong contender in the e-bike market, offering excellent performance, comfort, and durability. Whether commuting or enjoying leisurely rides, it stands out as an